नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। Myself JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to deliver lecture on population explosion and the family welfare program, which is from the course Environmental Science for the program BSc B.Ed as well as BA B.Ed second semester. So student, first we should know what is the meaning of the population. Population का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर? It literally meaning the whole number of people or inhabited in a country or region. The literal meaning of population explosion is a sudden large increase in the size and number of population, and in simple words it could be defined as increase in birth rate and decrease in the death rate. Now population growth in India, in this given data you can observe that from at the Monday 25th May 2020 we have the following population growth in India, like 1 Arab to 37 crore, like, and this population is equivalent to the 17.7% of the total world population, and India ranks number 2 in the list of countries and dependencies by the population. तो सेकेंड नंबर पे आता है इंडिया, एंड द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इन इंडिया इज़ 464 पर किलोमीटर, and the total land area is given in the figure. 35% 0% of the population is urban, and the median age in India is at 28.4 years. Now what the reason behind this increasing population? There are some reasons, like we have seen that increasing in birth rate due to the medical improvements and literacy, and the decreasing in death rate due to the better medical facilities and advancement in the field of medicine. Immigration to better developed countries due to several reasons, like better job opportunities, war, natural cause like hurricane, earthquake, and so on. That's why we have the more population than other countries, because we are giving the job opportunity. There is no war and natural causes. That's why. Now, reason for increasing in population in India: birth rate, that increasing the birth rate because of literacy, traditions, culture norms, poverty. Now death rate, there are the advanced medical treatments, that's why death rates day by day is decreasing, and we have increasing our birth rate. Migration play an important role in the population increases. However, in country like India, migration play a big role in the population change. Now what are the effects of population explosion? There are some effects you can see, observe in a slide, that already India is containing 17.5% of the world's population, and the current rate of population grown in India is 1.2%, and the total fertility rate is the 2.1. And because of this we are facing problem like air pollution, water pollution, increase in demand for food resources, deforestation, and unemployment and literacy. So you can observe, like air pollution, the technology development of India has lead not only to medical advancement but also to increase in the number of factories because of the high population, and that has lead to air and water pollution. Next, water pollution. Nowadays water pollution is also one of the increasing problem due to the population explosion. Major pollutants of the water pollutions are petroleum product, pesticides and herbicides, hazardous waste, excessive organic matter like fertilizer. Now, increasing in demand for food resources. Resources are always limited, and in developing and the highly populous country like India, resources are even scarce. Population explosion result in the shortage of even the most basic resource like food. Now we come to the family welfare program. It means the family planning means planning by individual or couples to have the children when they want them. This is the responsible parenthood. Family welfare program includes not only planning of birth but the welfare of whole family by means of total family health care. The family welfare program has highly priority in India because its success depends upon the quality of life of the citizen. Now, what is the history of family welfare program? It was started in the year 1951. In 1977, the government of India redesignated the National Family Planning Program as the National Family Program and also changed the name of the Ministry of Health and Family Planning to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. India is the first country in the world that implemented the family welfare program at government level. Now, what is the concept of family welfare program? The concept of family welfare is basically related to quality of the life, and we can achieve the good quality of life. As such, it includes education, nutrition, health, employment, women's welfare and rights, shelter, safe drinking water, all vital factors associated with the concept of welfare. It is certainly sponsored program. For this, the states receive 100% assistance from the central government. So this was our family welfare program. Now there are some objective decided aims and objective for the program. The government of India in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have started the operational aims and objective of family welfare program as follows. First, to promote the adoption of small family size norm on the basis of voluntary acceptance, to ensure adequate supply of contraceptive to all eligible couples with easy each within the easy each, using the means of mass communication and interpersonal communication to overcome the social and cultural hindrance in adopting the program, or extensive use of public health education for family planning. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with my lecture. Thank you.